Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Ramadan Kareem to all of you. Today we will continue the chapter Adaptations in Plants. Before we move to the next topic, let's see what all things we learned in the last class. In the last class, we discussed about the habitat and adaptation. What is habitat? The natural surroundings in which a plant lives is called its habitat. And what do you mean by adaptation? Plants develop some characteristics which helps it to survive a particular environment. This is known as adaptation. Then we discussed about the types of plants. There are two types of plants. One is aquatic plants, the other one is terrestrial plants. Later we check different types of aquatic plants. There are three types of aquatic plants: floating plants, fixed aquatic plants, underwater plants. In floating plants, they will be small in size and light bodies. Example, Wolfia and Pistia. In fixed aquatic plant, the stems are hollow, light and flexible. The leaves are broad and flat. Example, water lily and lotus. And the last type, that is underwater plants. In that, stomata are absent and the leaves will be small or ribbon-like. Example, hydrilla and vallisneria. Today we are going to discuss about terrestrial plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. They are found in cold, snowbound places, in dry desert, high up in the mountains, and in the wet, marshy places. Terrestrial plants have features that help them to survive in a particular climate. There are mainly five types of terrestrial plant. The first one, plants that grow on mountains. The second one, plants in the plains. Third one, desert plants. Fourth one, plants that grow in coastal region. Fifth one, plants in marshy areas. Now we will check the first type, that is plants that grow on mountain. Trees and small plants such as ferns and mosses grow on mountains. Trees are generally tall, straight and cone-shaped. The cone shape helps the snow to easily slide off the branches. The leaves are needle-like to prevent any damage caused by the snow. Some trees do not bear flowers, but they have cones with the seeds. Such trees are called conifers. Most conifers bear leaves throughout the year and are thus called evergreen trees. Example, cedar, pine and fir. Look at this pine tree and fir tree. What is the shape? It is cone shape. Cone shape helps the snow to easily slide off the branches, and its leaves are needle-like to prevent any damage caused by the snow. Tea plants grow in the hilly region. These plants need heavy rain, but they grow only on hill slopes where water does not remain near the roots. These hills provide suitable conditions for their growth. Coming to the next set of terrestrial plants, that are plants in the plains. Plants that grow in the plains have many branches and broad leaves to capture sunlight. The broad leaves also help water to evaporate easily, thus keeping the plants cool during summers. Most trees have thick barks and shed their leaves in autumn and grow new leaves in the spring. Some trees shed their leaves during the dry summer months. New leaves grow during the rainy season. Trees that shed their leaves in autumn or during the dry season are called deciduous trees. Example, banyan, mango and neem. That's all about today's topic. So, this is the time for homework. You have to draw the table of types of aquatic plants. I already attached the table here. You can see and write. Thank you. Have a nice day.